Sunshine. I'm really excited because today we are unboxing something I've never tried before on my channel and I'm really excited to get into it. So today we are unboxing CHC Vintage Accessories box. I'm so excited to get into this because I'm literally such a huge history buff. Like, I love learning about history, and in this box there are 3 to 5 pieces of jewelry or accessories like scarves, necklaces, rings, hairpins, stuff like that that are vintage in this box. But it's not vintage as an ugly vintage, it's vintage that styles matches the modern day style. So like there's gonna be like necklaces and rings and a whole different assortment of vintage pieces that fit within the 2018 style. So I'm really excited to get into this box. It's $35 a month. You have a stylist who custom selects the pieces that go inside of this box. Plus, you get a little sheet that explains the history behind everything. So I'm really excited to get into this box. There's nothing really too exciting about the exterior of the box. It's just a priority mailbox. So here we are, and here's everything that I got in my box. It all came in a plastic bag, which is cool because it'll protect it from the weather. So one thing that I would like to clarify is you can choose a subscription that'll give you 3 pieces, or you can choose a subscription that will give you 5 pieces. I, in all honesty, cannot remember which subscription I chose, so let's get into it. Okay, so I pulled out 3 things in my bag. I pulled out something that's wrapped up. I pulled out this little box that's kind of heavy, and I'm trying to show you guys. So this box, and I see some gold in there, and I'm really excited. And I pulled out a card. It says, "For you, take a pic and share hashtag CHC Vintage." So let's pull out the card. It's cute. It's blue hearts. Okay, on the inside it says, "Hi Elizabeth, we hope that you loved your CHC Vintage Accessory box. Each piece in your box is one of a kind, vintage, and picked just for you based on the answers of your style survey." And then there's a bunch more inside of here, but as I started to read, I realized that it kind of told me what's inside of this box. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull out everything that's inside of the box and whatever is wrapped in the tissue paper, and then we'll go through and we'll read the history. So the first thing that I'm gonna pick up is this box, and I'm really excited to get into it. I probably tore open, like this is probably all supposed to like be taped together, but because I so hastily pulled out like everything from the plastic bag, I probably tore this open a little bit. So first we have like some tissue paper on top, and then we have all of this in here, and I'm really excited to get into it because I see rhinestones. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna pull out is this gorgeous necklace. Oh my goodness. Okay, so obviously I'm not wearing the most like fashion-y shirt ever, but that's okay because we can still make it work, girl. So here's the first necklace. It's like, what is that called? It's braided, that's the word. It's braided. We've got like gold beads, and then we've got like gold, I don't know how to describe it. It's like there's like so many layers to this necklace. Okay, so the first layer is like the gold ball beads, and then we have another layer that's like gold little like bums all kind of hooked together on like a chain type of thing. And then we have one that's like a gold, kind of like the claws to like an earring or something. That's almost kind of what it looks like. And then we have another 2 layers of the gold bumpy beads. Plus we have a thin like chain, like a very thin chain looking. And then we have another layer that's got these gold but like clear rhinestones on it. So like I'm gonna try to describe everything. So here's the rhinestone layer. Here's the thin chain. And then here's the layer where I was talking about with like the bumpy beads, this one right here. Like, do you guys see what I mean about like the bump, like it's got like bumps to it? And then here's like the ball that I was talking about. And then the last one that I was talking about where I was like, yeah, it's like claws to the earring, is this one right here, the one that I'm holding. So all together, this is so pretty. Honestly, it's the rhinestones that make it for me. Like anything that's slightly glittery will win my heart over forever. So I'm really excited. It looks the same on both the front and the back. So it's a very like bulky, like I don't know. I know it's a big necklace, but I wasn't expecting it to be like this bulky. I feel like it would look better if I had it a little bit tighter. So I'm gonna go ahead And I'm gonna turn it around and we're gonna see what it looks like when it's a little bit tighter. But so far, it doesn't feel like, it's not heavy, it's just big, which I mean, like, it's a big necklace. It's a statement piece, so duh, but like, oh my gosh, that is literally so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys up and close. This is what it looks like, and I honestly love it so much. This is so pretty. I wish I wore more types of these necklaces. I always talk about how I'm not a big like necklace person, but I really, really love the rhinestone in there. I feel like it just adds that like perfect, delicate touch to really make this piece a wow piece. Okay, so I'm really happy with this piece so far, and we do have a couple more things in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling out. So the next thing that I'm pulling out is another necklace. Okay, so should I take this one off? I don't know, I love this necklace so much. I'm so sad to see it leave, but that's okay because we got more necklaces to try. Okay, but this necklace that I have on right now is definitely a win for me. I really do like it. Okay, so next we're gonna try this necklace. Now this is also another gold necklace. I really personally, I prefer wearing gold accessories. But I know that probably sounds so backwards because all of my rings are silver. My nose ring is silver. My date piercing is silver. I wear a lot of silver studs. But when it comes to like necklaces and like statement earrings, I really just prefer the warmth that gold has. But I'm also really, really picky. I cannot stand wearing gold and silver together. Like literally, and I don't care if other people do it. Like it doesn't bother me when other people do it. But for myself personally, I hate wearing gold and silver together. It just really, I really don't like it. I've never done that. And if I am doing that, there's something wrong with me. Like I just can't stand doing those two together. So here we have a little bit of a cooler toned gold with these black, like, they're like, glass looking gems in them. So this one definitely is not as heavy feeling as the first necklace, however it's a lot louder, and you guys know how I feel about loud accessories. That's my go-to. I love being loud and obnoxious. Guys, can you feel the vibes from this necklace? I feel like I need to be in a castle right now. I need to have a black cape. I need to have long black hair. I need to be a vampire. I love the vampy goddess. I get Egyptian goddess, but I also get like vampy, like goth, kind of vampire-esque vibes from this necklace. I love this piece. Like I'm looking at myself, I'm like, damn girl, hey, how you doing? Like this necklace literally just pulls me together. I love this so much. Okay, wait, and there's a couple matching pieces in this box to this necklace. So let's see what they are. Okay, the next piece that I'm pulling out is a pair of matching earrings to this necklace. So let's see what this all looks like together. I look hot. Guys, I just had to go and answer the door because my mailman came, and I like was walking down the hallway and I felt like such a rich and powerful housewife. Like wearing this jewelry makes me want to be like the mean grandmother or mean stepmother, whatever she is, because I feel so powerful in this. Maybe there's like, I don't know, I don't even know, but I feel like Great Gatsby. I feel like so many things in this. It's just the vibes I'm getting from it basically, or who I want to be associated with this necklace and earrings. But this all together makes me want to like go to a Great Gatsby party. It makes me want to like wear a cape and be in a castle. It makes me want to wear like bright sparkly things and be like a mean stepmom or something like that in Cinderella. Like I love this. I feel like really pretty. Maybe it's like my hair today. Maybe I'm just loving my hair with all of this, but I feel so pretty in this, and that's not honestly something I was expecting when you say vintage jewelry to me. I'm like, vintage jewelry, oh, that's my like dead grandmother's brooches or something like that. Like it's not something that I would really associate with something like this, but I'm really, really loving this, and I'm loving how it's making me feel. But we're not done yet. There's still a couple more things we got unboxed. Okay, and then I also got this matching bracelet to match with all of this. And it has a metallic clasp, which I'm grateful for because I am not inept enough to like do latches or anything like that. But I also feel like I'm going to struggle putting this on like, nope, I almost came to it. But basically there's this little metal bar that I'm supposed to stick in between the two magnets, and the magnets keep closing on me. And maybe I just have like, oh, maybe my wrists will fit. Oh, I feel like it's a little too small. It's just like a tad bit too small. And I have average size wrists. Like literally, like I am plus size, but the biggest parts of me are my thighs and my chest. But it fits. I got it to fit. I was just inept for a second. So here I am, ready to take over. I'm gonna slap anybody that gets in my way with this gorgeous wrist, with this gorgeous bracelet. I feel put together. I really love these two pieces together. The bracelet's okay. I don't hate the bracelet. But I just really feel like these two, like this really goes together. The bracelet's nice. I'm not saying that I hate the bracelet. I just really love these two pieces together. There's one more thing and I'm really excited to get into it, and then we're gonna read the history on everything. Okay, so we have this thing wrapped in tissue paper and I'm really excited to see what it is because it looks like it's gonna be pink or red. Okay. So it looks like we got like a clutch of some sort. What is this? Okay. Oh, it's like really, the magnet in here is so strong. It's like ready to break somebody's finger. So it does have that musty smell, like it's been hanging out at like somebody's house for a little bit. It's not horrible. It's not overpowering. It's just, it smells a tad bit, what is that word? Musty. And it has a delicate gold chain in it. And it's so funny that I got this because I've been shopping around for a bright pink clutch. And here I have one in my hands. So this is cloth. I don't know what type of cloth it is, but it just feels like, you know, cotton. And then the inside looks like this. It's not huge. I guess my biggest complaint is that it has that slightly like mildewy, musty smell to it. But I think like the clutch, like I love the gold chain and I feel so like put together. I love the gold matching this and this and this. And it's making me go like, Elizabeth, if you actually got your life together and started shopping for accessories, maybe you could feel this way all the time. I really like the bright pink. I'm definitely a bright pink girl. I love pink so much. So I'm really happy with this clutch and I'm really excited to see the history on everything. So let's get into that. Okay, so the first thing it says is this fun bag is from 50 and 60 era and perfect for the summer. Carry with or without the strap and large enough for everything you need. Don't reserve for a night out. This bag will add a pop of color to everything, even a simple jeans and a t-shirt. The jewelry we chose for you are all statement pieces from the 70s and 80s era. Although some may look like a set, each of these pieces are completely different and unique and were not produced together. Although all of these pieces were chosen for you as a collection and will easily mix and match with each other, each one is enough to make a statement on its own. Love, Nicole and the CHC team. So basically this and this and this, they're not a matching set. They were all produced separately, which makes sense because like there's like none of the gold is like, it's not exactly 100% matching, and like the gold, like the pattern for the gold part is all kind of different. However, they go together well enough. So I have to say, for $35, it's not terrible. Like the pricing on this is not terrible at all. I do think this is more costume jewelry. I know nothing is actually real, but we got a clutch. We got a bracelet, we got a statement necklace, statement earrings, and another statement necklace. So we got like 4 necklaces. I'm just gonna put this guy up here so we can like see while I'm talking about it, because I'm also gonna hold the clutch in this arm. Wait, I'm stupid. I could just literally just hold it. Why'd I have to put it on my arm? I'm so silly. But so we got 2 necklaces, a pair of earrings, and a bracelet, and a clutch. So that's, how many pieces is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 pieces for $35. So I don't think that's honest. It's not terrible. It's not a terrible price, because I know some of these like statement necklaces can cost like $15 to $20. And they're unique. Like this is my favorite necklace, but I feel like these two things put together is absolutely gorgeous. I love the delicate gold chain on this clutch. I love how bright pink it is. There's nothing in here that I hate. I would have to say the thing that I love the least is the bracelet. However, it was easy to put on. It goes with the set. I'm not mad at it whatsoever. Overall, I don't have a bad taste in my mouth about this box. I am very pleasantly surprised. I feel put together. I feel cute. It made me happy. It made me feel pretty. I love all of the pieces. Again, I don't hate the bracelet. It's just like, it's not a favorite. It's not the award winner of this box. It's the least favorite thing. And honestly, this set and this necklace stole the show for me. But I'm really happy about the clutch too, because that's something that I wanted to get anyway, and I was getting ready to drop $30 on one. But now that I have this, like, I'm really happy about it. So overall, Considering pricing for other necklaces that are like this in the market, I don't think that this is a bad buy at all. I got 5 pieces for $35. They're vintage, so they're going to be more unique. Like, anybody can go to like Amazon and buy a statement necklace, but not everybody's going to have like vintage accessories. Like, it kind of adds like a story, a tale, more character to your outfit, at least in my opinion. Like, it definitely makes me feel more excited. Like, yeah, girl, I'm wearing vintage. Like, my jewelry has a background and a story that comes with it, rather than just something that you buy off of Amazon. So I'm very happy with this box. I love all of the pieces. I love the color. I love the selection. I love that it's all gold. Like, I'm very happy with this box in total. I'm very impressed with it, and I feel like $35 is very, very reasonable. So what did you guys think of this CHC Vintage Accessories box? What was your favorite item? What's something that in here that you did like, and what was something that you didn't like about this box? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.